You're in your Jeep, aren't you? Yeah. Oh, jeez. A little loud. That was a little loud. I love you. What? What? What are you doing? Hi. Are you having fun? Yeah. Hey, Griffin, can you say hi to Daddy? Say hi, Daddy. I miss you. Yeah. Say hi, Daddy. That's not okay. That's good enough. Do you miss Daddy, Griff? Yeah. Yeah. Why are you blue in this? You shouldn't be blue. Hi. Can you say I love you, Daddy? Say I love you, Daddy. I miss you. Yeah. Griffin, is Daddy gonna play with you when he comes home? Is he? Yeah. Huh? Is he gonna play with you when he comes home? Yeah. It's exciting, huh? Yeah. What do you... Ew. Spit. Spit. Are you spitting? Spit. Spit. I don't know why that's so funny. Spit. Are you spitting? Griffin. I love you. Do you love Mama? Do you love Daddy? Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye, Dada. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye.